Squizzy and Sunny's nightmare. This is Squizzy's nightmare. This is Sunny's nightmare. Oh, what's that? It's following me! Get away! I'm lost in the woods. Somebody. Oh, great. Repeat ourselves. Oh dear. What's all that noise? You woke us up. Sunny and Squizzy, what was that sound? We both had a nightmare. So, Sunny, what was your nightmare? I was on a dark, scary beach and I was alone. And, Squizzy, what nightmare did you have? It was all about these hairbrushes. One looked at me and said, "You're gonna die." Don't worry, you two. It was only a nightmare. Let's forget about it. Really? Oh, thank you. Let's get back to sleep. We're very tired.